Hey everyone, is your car shifting roughly, struggling to accelerate, or even stuck in one gear? If your OBD-II scanner shows code P0799, Pressure Control Solenoid C, performance stuck off, it means your transmission isn't getting the right hydraulic pressure. This can lead to serious shifting problems and even transmission failure. But don't worry, in this video I'll explain what P0799 means, its symptoms, and, most importantly, where to find the key sensors and components responsible for this issue so you can fix it. Let's get started. What is P0799? The P0799 trouble code appears when the Transmission Control Module, TCM, detects a performance issue or electrical fault in Pressure Control Solenoid C. This solenoid is responsible for controlling hydraulic pressure inside the transmission to ensure smooth shifting. When this solenoid fails or gets stuck, the transmission may struggle to shift gears properly, causing severe drivability issues. Symptoms of P0799 include harsh or delayed gear shifting, gear slippage, or stuck in one gear transmission, overheating, check engine light and transmission warning light, decreased fuel efficiency. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the key sensors and components responsible for P0799. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0799, check these critical components. Pressure Control Solenoid C. Location: inside the transmission valve body, usually beneath the transmission pan. Function: regulates transmission fluid pressure for smooth shifting. Transmission Control Module, TCM. Location: typically found on the transmission housing, near the battery, or under the dashboard. Function: controls the solenoids and monitors transmission pressure. Transmission fluid pressure sensor location: mounted on the transmission case near the valve body. Function: measures hydraulic pressure and reports it to the TCM. Wiring and connectors location: runs between the TCM and solenoids inside the transmission. Function: transfers electrical signals. Damaged wiring can cause solenoid failure. Common causes of P0799, faulty Pressure Control Solenoid C. It may be stuck, clogged, or short-circuited. Low or dirty transmission fluid. Contaminated fluid can block solenoids and restrict pressure control. Wiring or connector damage. Corrosion, loose connections, or broken wires can disrupt solenoid function. Transmission Control Module TCM failure. A faulty TCM may send incorrect signals to the solenoids. Blocked transmission valve. Body dirt and debris can prevent proper fluid flow. Internal transmission wear. Worn clutch packs or seals can cause pressure loss. How to fix P0799. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Ensure it's at the correct level and free of contamination. Step 2. Inspect Pressure Control Solenoid C. Test it with a multimeter and replace if faulty. Step 3. Examine wiring and connectors. Repair or replace any corroded, frayed, or broken wires. Step 4. Test the Transmission Control Module TCM, scan for additional codes and reset if needed. Step 5. Clean the valve body, remove dirt buildup that could be restricting pressure flow. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and confirm the fix. Final words. A P0799 solenoid issue can cause severe transmission damage if ignored. Checking the solenoid, wiring, TCM, and fluid condition is key to fixing this problem. Watch these related videos next. P0464 Fuel Level Sensor Circuit Intermittent. P0465 Purge Flow Sensor Circuit. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.